Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn about cell references. There are three different kinds of cell references available in Excel. First is absolute cell reference. The second is relative cell reference. And the third one is mixed cell reference. Let us start understanding each one. So we will talk about absolute cell reference. This is a cell reference when we do not want to move the cell values which we are referring. So let us take an example. I am referring this D4 and now I wanted to copy this in three different cells, downward and rightward. We see all the values has been changed. So to use an absolute cell reference, we will put a dollar sign before the column and row numbers. Now, if I will copy this cell reference to anywhere, the value will not change. So this is known as absolute cell reference. The second is relative cell reference. Basically, relative cell reference is a normal cell reference. Like you just refer this cell and you move the values anywhere, the value will change relatively. So there is nothing constant here. The value will not constant, it will vary as the cell will move. Now the third category, that is a mixed cell reference, has two different types. First is cell reference for column, where we do not want to move the column only. The row can vary whenever we are copying the data. Let's suppose we multiply C4 with D4. Now I wanted to see that this C4 should move downward, but it shouldn't move to D column whenever I am copying my data, like this. Here the cell reference has been moved from C to D. So to put it constant by column, we will use a single dollar here. Now if I will move this value downward, it will move, but when we will move it towards the right, means we are changing the columns, then this value will not change. You can see here the value is constant. In the next cell again, you can see the C column is constant. So this is the mixed cell reference to put the column constant. The second part is to putting the row constant. So let us understand it by an example. So here we wanted to multiply this value by this. Now if I will copy this, we see that this row 2 has been moved to row 3. So to keep it constant, we will put row dollar sign before the row number, that is 2. Now it will fix my row number. This value will change whenever we will copy our data from cell to cell, because it is a relative reference. Now this is a mixed reference for rows. Now I can see anywhere that the row 2 is constant. So that is how cell references work in Excel. Thank you.